Spectra Festival is Scotland's largest festival of light, transforming Aberdeen's streets into breathtaking wonderland. In 2020 alone, over 100,000 visitors attended this massive event, and in 2023 it was around 120,000 people. Although the event organizers have changed after 2023 and my face painting is no longer part of it, I would love to share my journey and the role I played in making Spectra magical. Spectra is filled with mesmerizing art, glowing installations, and interactive experiences. For nearly a decade, I've been a part of this incredible event, bringing UV face painting to thousands of visitors. With lines stretching for hours, I managed to keep the magic alive, creating unique designs while keeping the flow smooth and organized. So many people told me they were attending Spectra with their children just because of my face painting, having known me from previous events. It was amazing to see familiar faces returning year after year, and incredible to see children who were with me the first year growing and coming back as adults. In 2022, I wanted to take my UV art beyond face painting and create something immersive. That's when I brought my work to Frogmoon Café, transforming the space with UV paintings, glowing lights, and unique 3D experience. Visitors could put on special glasses to see my paintings in a whole new dimension, making the artwork feel like it was jumping off the walls. And to complete the experience, Frogmoon Café served drinks that glowed under UV light, adding an extra magical touch. Since the very first Spectra, I've also attended official pre-Spectra events, not as a painter, but to celebrate the festival alongside organizers and fellow artists. It was always an inspiring experience to connect with creative minds behind this incredible event. In 2024 and 25, my role at Spectra changed. While my face painting was no longer part of the main festival, I still was invited to bring my UV art to sponsors at exclusive pre-event party. And I'm going to do a face painting today, so we are three ladies, three artists doing some creative stuff. Can you tell a little bit about what you do?
Yeah, I'm doing caricatures. I make people laugh. I try, at least. I do this. You have your face like this, and I do this. Yeah. I do this kind of things, you know. It's kind of cartoon stylish.
Oh,
That's
amazing! Lovely! Wow!
Like these are really easy to do.
Yeah, this doesn't look really
It's
hard.
not hard, this one.
In one of these arches, I was painting my first Spectra when it just began. Before that, there weren't any glasses there. We had a long queue going all the way behind this cafe, and like about 100 meters, and I was practicing my first UV designs.
1.5 hours of waiting for your painting.
1.5 hours waiting for my painting. This was also likely my last time attending Spectra, as I'm moving away from Scotland. It is bittersweet, but I will always remember and cherish the memories of being part of this incredible festival. But magic of lights and art continues. Here's the glimpse of this year's incredible installations.
ترى عادي نجيب الجنطة.
Mommy, write my name. I want pink. You spell my name wrong. Where's yours?
Trzy rzeczy.
So we are in the art gallery, and if we look up there, this is where I was painting my body painting animals during the exhibition in September.
may be slippery and uneven. For your safety, please remain on the marked paths and follow any signage.
Somewhere about there. teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night when things are black and white. Enter troubadour. Remember 20